Y'all probably thought I forget you guys. I didn't forget you guys. I was just in the water and now we're going on. I pick up my phone to get a little recording and I'm going back into the water now.
Are you taking a bacon shot to me?
Take that bacon shot? For me trouble?
Was I buying two at this time? No, I just know. Sure, I'm only buying one bacon shot because we haven't spent all our money on two bacon shots. So. Come on.
Let's go.
But I don't know what really going on here today. You know? I don't even know who was. You're supposed to be somewhere. We pick up with chairs, we leave the spot, we jump in the car, realize we couldn't get a park for a whole 10 minutes and we come back right on the beach. We leave the beach to come back on the beach. Yeah.
Oh, but let's have more people on this side though. People over there. So more people on this side. Mikey. Let's see if we get a spot now.
You want to come right here?
Where?
Where's this here for?
Let's see take Michael and Kai playing some football over there. And yeah, we just come to chill out and whatnot. Yes, indeed. I love the beach. It's always amazing to be here. You know, good vibes, good people, fun. Yeah. Get the ball, Mikey. What happened? Say hi to the vlog.
Bad man for life.
Mikey, say hi. What's that? Let me see.
I don't know if it's a pick or something, but
Can you get something in this one?
yeah, I feel it every time I kick now.
Let me see. Where's it up? Let me see. Feeling it, sir?
Yeah, boy.
Nah, go ahead. You go ahead. Go ahead and kick it. See your best shot. Oh, that's me. Oh God. Sorry. I'm not so good at this. Nice pass. Turn it. What a bullish guy there.
He kick it, Ben.
And they find a goal post. Between that pole there and the short red pole there, that's the goal post there. Whack. Go on, Mikey. Go on, Mikey.
I want a shot.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
When you come to the beach, we gotta rap. We gotta represent.
No, but how about the shot?
DJ Kai.
How about the shot? No, but what he does trick something? You think the Sean better than me
Football?
in football?
Oh, yeah, see me this?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't say that.
Michael
You might get some steam though. Remember they're more young and energetic, you know? No?
Keisha, if you're seeing this, you see that youth man you have there to Sean, I challenge him in a football match. I will send him crying. That my little nephew, eh? Oh, I'm crying, boy.
Yep.
You don't test me. You understand? Because I just go easy on my son. I just go easy on your brother. But you see to Sean?
Yeah.
Dead.
Y'all probably thought I forget you guys. I didn't forget you guys. I was just in the water and now we're going on. I pick up my phone to get a little recording and I'm going back into the water now.
What are you doing now?
Well, look at the water.
Huh?
I say, well, look at the water. That's our time. Oh, yes, I have a lot of people on the beach. A lot of people on the beach today. So I could only imagine for Easter vacation when that time comes. Not me at all.
Huh? You see it all there?
I tried to get my hair wet, but I didn't really do a good job. Blame myself. You having a good time?
Yeah.
Why don't want to go in the water? Sorry, but why don't want to go in the water? Eh? Why don't want to go in the water?
That's not true. I'm saying
Right now we finished bed and we are getting something to eat. And then we're gonna head out. We don't want to be driving on the road too late now, you know? So, but it was real nice, it was real nice. You had fun, Mikey? Why didn't you have fun?
I did have fun. What are you talking about?
Oh, must have fun. So Mikey, come in the middle.
Come on then.
Go fast.
Take out the keys one time.
Yeah. How about we got the phone, but the girl forgot to pick up the fork. It's a good thing we had two in the car. So we have one and me and Michael share one. How you ready food?
8.5.
8.5?
Where's what the money though? This is a lot of food for 60.
Yeah, it is. It is. It is.
The fries?
You said the fish are a little bland, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fine, so.
Wait, so that's it?
Yeah, tasting it here, but it have the sauces on it, so.
Sauces.
Saving it. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think I'll probably end it off right here, unless I might finish it home on a show, but in case I don't, I'll probably end it right here. So we had a good time. Mikey, say hi, bye, baby boy.
Bye. It was good, yo.
Yeah, it was really good. But now it's dark and it's time to go home. School in the morning. test week. And the term test this week for Michael, so his first test is tomorrow, so
Go home and sleep for the rest of the whole entire week.
seriousness this week.
Entire week.
Alright, bye.